Brett Favre isn't freaking out about the GB Packers QB situation just yet, telling everyone why they should hold off on pressing the panic button, at least for now. Favre's speaking his mind on everything from Aaron Rodgers missing mandatory minicamp to how the coaching staff should prepare the offense with Jordan Love at the helm. "It's not the first time someone's missed a minicamp or nota," Brett said on Bowling with Favre on Podcast One. Favre says he has no idea how the Rodgers situation will play out, but implores the Packers to start preparing as if Love will be the guy. What that means is the coaches need to figure out a Plan B offense custom fit for Jordan Love, and they need to figure it out fast. Now, you're really kinda studying what Jordan does best, what he does similar to Aaron, how that relates to how I call the game in the future," Favre said. #Packers QB Jordan Love getting some looking at voluntary Otis pick. Twitter.com/VTFVKPKI Bailey Burmaster, at Babermth, June 15, 2021 at Babermth. "Do I do certain formations and plays that Aaron ran well because Jordan seems to run these well, or is he a totally different quarterback?" That's a question that they gotta answer and answer very quickly. As for that panic button, Brett says hold off on pushing it until they know whether or not Aaron will report to training camp this month.